डेली करंट अफेयर्स 28 जून 2020। तो पहला क्वेश्चन, विच कंट्री हैज़ कंडक्टेड इट्स फर्स्ट सक्सेसफुल सैटेलाइट लॉन्च यूजिंग डोमेस्टिक रॉकेट नूरी। तो डोमेस्टिक रॉकेट नूरी साउथ कोरिया ने सक्सेसफुल लॉन्च किया है अभी जल्दी ही। विच कंट्री, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, विच कंट्री हैज़ लॉन्च न्यू बैच ऑफ 3 Yangon 35 रिमोट सेंसिंग सैटेलाइट रिसेंटली। तो इसका है चाइना। चाइना has launched new batch of 3 Yangon 35 remote sensing satellites recently. And question number 3, Chennai based drone startup Garuda Aerospace has partnered with which country's drone solution company to set up फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल ड्रोन फैक्ट्री। तो इसका है मलेशिया। मलेशिया के साथ उन्होंने अपना पार्टनरशिप किया है। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, विच बैंक लॉन्च्ड अ डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म कैंपस पावर फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड टू एड्रेस द नीड्स ऑफ द स्टूडेंट एस्पिरिंग टू pursue higher education in India and abroad। तो ICICI Bank launched a digital platform campus power first of its kind to address the need of the student aspiring to pursue higher education in India and abroad, India और बाहर भी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, फॉर्मर ड्रिंकिंग एंड वाटर सैनिटेशन सेक्रेटरी fill in the blank has been appointed as the new chief executive officer of नीति आयोग। तो इसके आंसर हैं परमेश्वरन अय्यर जी। परमेश्वरन अय्यर has been appointed as the new chief executive officer of नीति आयोग। ठीक है। सेकंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, who has been launched as director of intelligence bureau IB's new director? Answer is C, Tapan Kumar Deka। Tapan Kumar Deka has been appointed as Director of Intelligence Bureau IB। Next question number 7, who has been reappointed as Chief of Research and Analysis Wing रॉ के reappointed chief। तो रॉ के reappointed chief is सामंत कुमार गोयल जी। सामंत कुमार गोयल is reappointed as the Chief of Research and Analysis Wing RAW, short form RAW। And forward, second question number 8, who has been appointed as acting president of the Indian Olympic Association IOA? The answer is B, Anil Khanna। Anil Khanna has been appointed as acting president of the Indian Olympic Association। Question number 9, which of the following Indian state-based public transport service has been honored with a prestigious UN Public Service Award 2022? Answer is D, MO Bus Odisha। MO Bus Odisha। Okay। Next question number 10, International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking 2022 is celebrated on which of the following days? International Day Against Drug Abuse and Trafficking 2022 is celebrated on 26 June हाँ 26 जून. Okay. Next question 11. During which festival in Goa people wear crowns of fresh fruit and wildflowers traditionally called kopel? Kopel to celebrate the occasion. So answer is she. Sao Jao. Sao Joao. Sao Joao is the festival kopel to celebrate the occasion. Next question. Question number 12. Recently, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has approved draft GSR notification to introduce Bharat NCAP. What does A stand for in NCAP? Uh, Here is ask A's full form. A's meaning in NCAP. So here is answer. A means assessment. NCAP is in NCAP is A means assessment. ठीक है. Question number 13. International Day in support of victims of torture is conducted by the United Nations on which of the following day? So answer is 26 June. 26 June. Okay. So next question. Question number 14. Global Liability Index is released by who released Global Liability Index? Here is asked for. The answer is B. Economist Intelligence Unit released Global Liability Index. Okay. Fine. Question number 15. Micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises day is celebrated on which of the following days? The answer is D. 20 June 27. Micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises day is celebrated. Okay. So here is okay.